Yeah, afternoon, folks. This time around, I'm coming with algebraic expressions where we are interested in expanding two brackets as well as factoring quadratic expressions. We can also expand to three brackets. We just want to see how the process goes. So I've got space to do my answering. So let's just move together and see what we get right. With my pen here, and it looks like all the terms in the first bracket will multiply what's in the second bracket. So in other words, x is going to multiply everything in the second bracket. So that will be x times x. So this is going to lead us to x squared. Then when x multiplies 2, that's plus 2x. And we also have 3 multiplying everything in the second bracket. That will be 3x. And then 3 multiplied by 2, it gives us 6. And normally the middle section is what we call like terms. We're able to collect them together, which will simplify to, because this part is like we have x, then 2 plus 3, that will give us 5x, and 6 doesn't have a pair, so it just remains the way it is. Then the next problem, we're interested in factorizing an expression. So this expression in proper form is x squared plus 7x plus 10. So the idea here is because our coefficient is 1 here, so what it implies is we'll have two brackets whereby the first part we have x and x. Then we want to think of two factors of 10 such that when we multiply them, the result is 10, and when you sum them, they give you the middle term 7. And those factors are none other than a 2 and a positive 5. Right, still progressing downwards. We want to expand more than two brackets, but nothing complex there. We'll start by expanding the first two brackets, and the result that we get, we use it to expand the third bracket. So let's see. I've got x plus 2, x times 3. So this will simplify to, when I say x times x, in the first bracket I'll have x squared. And then I saw that this is 2x and that is 3x. When I do that product, these are like terms, they'll end up giving me 5x. Then the last terms, 2 times 3, that will give me a 6. Then in the second bracket, we have x minus 1. Now the next step, we're going to multiply all the terms in the second bracket by the first term. So when I say x squared times x, it gives me x cubed. Then when I say x squared times negative 1, that's minus x squared. Now I'm on the middle term, which will multiply everything in the second bracket. So when I say 5x times x, it gives me 5x squared. When I say 5x times negative 1, it gives me negative 5x. Then I'm now on the last term, 6. So when I say 6 times x, it gives me positive 6x. When I say 6 times negative 1, it gives me negative 6 there. So I'm still simplifying because here I've got like terms, even here I also have like terms. So my final result is going to be x cubed. When I say minus x squared plus 5x squared, because these are like terms, they will be both in terms of x squared. So that's minus 1 plus 5. It will give me positive 4. Then on the next part, it's also like in terms of x. When I say minus 5 plus 6, the result is going to be a positive x. Then finally, I have negative 6 without a pair. I think that's what I have in that problem. So it's a similar process when we expand x plus 1 in one bracket, x plus 4, and then x minus 2. Let me take a break and we'll proceed with the other problems below. Right.